Welcome to my video. Today, we are showing Samsung Top 5 New Launched Phone in 2024. Hi guys, are you looking for the best Samsung phone? If you receive the new Samsung phone, then you're in the right place. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews and orders. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy M35 5G, Android V14, display, 6.6 inches, Full HD Super AMOLED, 120Hz refresh rate, Samsung Exynos 1380, camera, 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 13 megapixel front camera, 6 GB RAM plus 128 GB internal storage, 6000 mAh battery with 25 watt first charger. Best price, $14,999. Link on the description. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy F55s 5G, Android V14, display, 6.7 inches, Full HD Super AMOLED, 120Hz refresh rate, Snapdragon 7 Gen 1, camera, 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 50 megapixel front camera, 6 GB RAM plus 128 GB internal storage, 5000 mAh battery, 25 watt super fast charging. Best price, $17,999. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, Android V14, display, 6.4 inches, Full HD Dynamic AMOLED, 120Hz refresh rate, Samsung Exynos 2200, camera, 50 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 10 megapixel front camera, 8 GB RAM plus 128 GB internal storage, 4500 mAh battery, 25 watt fast charger. Best price, $29,999. Link on the description. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, Android V14, display, 6.4 inches, Full HD Dynamic AMOLED, 120Hz refresh rate, Snapdragon 888, camera, 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 32 megapixel front camera, 8 GB plus 256 GB internal storage, 4500 mAh battery, 25 watt fast charger. Best price, $25,999. Link on the description. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy F15 5G, Android V14, display, 6.5 inches Full HD Super AMOLED, Mini HD refresh rate, MediaTek Dimensity 6100 plus, camera, 50 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 13 megapixel front camera, 4 GB RAM plus 128 GB internal storage, 600 mAh battery, 25 watt super fast charger. Best price, $12,999. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.